Good morning, student. Today, my topic, lesson number 2, the revision topic, nutritive component of diet. Nutritive and non-nutritive component of diet. What is the nutritive component of diet? Nutritive component of diet are those components which provides energy or calories. These are various nutritive components of diet which are described below. Nutritive component is protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins. This is the nutritive components. Number 1, protein. What is a protein? The word of protein is derived from the Greek word portia. Its meaning is the best substance from food stuff. Protoplasm is formed by protein, which is the base of living cell. The maximum amount of protein is found in the tissue or of our body. Besides, this protein is also found in blood secretions of endocrine glands, bones, teeth, and in delicate tissues. Okay. If water is extracted from our body, the maximum percentage of protein will be left behind in our body. Protein is the component which is formed by the combination of oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Among energy producing food substances. Protein is the only constituent in the which chemical element of nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur are found. That is why protein is also called nitrogenous food. Our physical growth and development will be retarded if we take less amount of protein in our food. Proteins promote cell growth and repair. Apart from the protein also play an important role in the mental development of an individual. Protein are known as the building blocks of life. Sources of protein. Protein will come animal proteins and vegetarian proteins. Source of proteins. From the point of view of sources, protein can be divided into two categories: animal proteins and vegetable proteins. Animal proteins. Protein which we get from animal product is called animal protein. This protein is found in the egg, milk, milk product, meat, fish. Egg is the best example of rich protein because sufficient amount of amino acid are found in a egg and egg quart. Number two, vegetarian proteins. Number two, protein is vegetarian. Protein which we get from vegetable is called vegetable protein. Vegetable protein is usually found in the various type of pulse and peas, soybean, mustard, green pea, nut, groundnut, dry food and food grain. After protein, next nutritive component of diet, carbohydrate. What is the carbohydrate? The very important question. The carbohydrate. What is the protein? What is the carbohydrate? What is the fat? What is the minerals? What is the vitamins? This question type is come in the exam, board paper and unit test and prelims exam. So prepare this question with me today. What is the carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is also an essential nutritive component of food. Carbohydrate is also a compound which is performed by the chemical combinations of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrate act like a fuel in our body. Carbohydrate provide energy. We also need carbohydrate for the formations of food, of fat. People we indulge in the hard work need maximum amount of carbohydrate. However, if excess amount of carbohydrate is taken in food by an individual, it always change into fat and after that it is. Okay. Accumulated in fatty tissues, lack of carbohydrate in the body reduce the weight of an individual. The skin become loose and wrinkles start appearing on the face. The person become lean and thin. On the other hand, if an individual takes the right amount of carbohydrate in food, his body weight start increasing. He experiences high body temperature. In such an conditions and individuals become lethargic. Source of carbohydrate. Generally, carbohydrate is found in the rice, maize, jowar and bajra, pulses, gram, dry bean, dated, dry food, grapes, potato, banana, gur and sugar. Okay. Okay. Number 3 is the fat. What is the fat? Very important question for the exam. And this question came in a unit test first, physical education 12th class, on 24th July. So very important, what is fat? So some students do not do proper. So what is the fat? Let's start. Fat is the essential nutritive components of food. Fat is also a compound. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Fat provide heat and energy to the body. It also help in the regulations of body temperatures. It is helpful in the making the body soft and smooth and protects the body from the extreme effect of hot and cold climate. For the purpose of energy, fat is considered better than carbohydrate. Fat is used with the carbohydrate in the food. Fat can be digested easily as well as rapidly if excess fat is not used by the body. It is accumulated in the body due to which various organs of the body do not work efficiently. Fat is available in less quantity in the food. Okay. Carbohydrate to same extent change into fat. Source of fat. Like the carbohydrate, the fat is sources, animal sources and vegetable sources. Animals are good sources of the fat. We get various products from animal such as ghee, butter, cheese, curd, fish, oil, milk, meat, eggs. Vegetable sources for fat. We also get fat from various vegetables such as the unprocessed starchy vegetables such as the sweet potato, whole corn, dry food, coconut, soya bean, food grain, mustard oil, cotton seed, etc. Cotton seed, I think, pass. Okay. Number 4, vitamin. Non-nutritive component. Nutritive component is the fourth part, vitamins. These questions came in the unit test 1. What is the vitamins? Vitamins are important nutritive component of food. Just like protein, carbohydrate and fat, vitamins are vital for healthy life. Vitamins protect us from various types of disease. In fact, vitamins increase immunity in our body against disease. They also contribute in the general development of body. If our diet lack in various vitamins, we may suffer from different deficiency disease. Although we need these vitamin in less quantity, they as essential for leading a healthy life. These are the vitamins. Next topic, that type of vitamins. Vitamin can be divided into two categories: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Okay. Fat type of vitamins. Vitamin can be divided into two categories: fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. These vitamins are easily dissolved in the fat. These vitamins are settled below: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin D and K, and water soluble vitamin B complex and vitamin C. So learn carefully. This topic is very important for the exam, and many confusion in this topic. So clear the confusion with the heading wise: fat soluble and water soluble. So fat soluble vitamins. What is the fat soluble vitamins? These vitamins are easily dissolved in the fat. These vitamins are selected below: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Vitamin A. What is the vitamin A? Very important question. Dr. McCullum's discovered vitamin A. This vitamin is yellow in color. Usually this vitamin is not destroyed at normal temperatures, but it can be destroyed by oxidation process. The ultraviolet rays of the sun can also destroy these vitamins. If may be destroyed at normal temperature in the presence of oxygen. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, Numerous disease. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, numerous disease can attack a person. Night blindness and xeroxopenia are main diseases that are the caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the normal growth of an individual. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, skin may become dry, there may be wrinkles on the skin, teeth loss their brightness and usually become yellow. This vitamins also has a negative effect on kidney, nervous systems, digestive systems. Sometimes there can be kidney stones due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Poisonous substance develop in the spinal cord. This vitamin also protect the body from communicable disease. Sources. Vitamin A is the mainly found in the ghee, milk, fish, papaya, green vegetable, orange, spinach, carrot, pumpkin, egg yolk, etc. vitamin D. Fat soluble vitamin, vitamin D. This vitamin is the white and the odorless vitamin D is helpful for the formations and maintenance of good teeth and healthy bone. It enables the body to accumulate calcium and phosphorus, which help in the formation of the bones and teeth. Deficiency of this vitamin cause rickets, ill-shaped teeth, and softness of bone. This intake of this vitamin should be increased in the order to cure bone and teeth disease. Sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is mainly supplied by the sun, egg, fish, sunlight, vegetables, cod livers, oil, milk, cream, butter, tomato, carrot, pumpkin, etc. These are vitamin D sources. Next point is the vitamin E. Vitamin E is helpful in increasing fertilities among men and the women. It is the deficiency cause the death of the child in the womb on the mother. Abortions and the miscarriages happen in expected mothers with the result that sometimes they lose their reproductive abilities. A deficiency also causes weakness in muscles and hampers the normal functioning of the heart. This vitamin is also essential for the proper functioning of adrenal and sex glands. Source of the vitamin E. Green vegetables, meat, kidney, liver and heart, organ of meat, cottonseed, sprout, coconut oil, egg yolk, dry and fresh fruit, milk, meat butter and the maize and rich sources of vitamin E. Next point is the fat soluble vitamins, vitamin K. Vitamin K is the derived from the word of coagulations, which mean clotting of the blood. This vitamin is helpful in the clotting of blood due to the deficiency of the vitamins. Blood does not clot easily and generally blood clotting to flow the longer time in the event of an injury. The requirement of this vitamin is more for the pregnant ladies. Its deficiency also causes anemia. Sources of vitamin K. This vitamin is mainly available in the cauliflower, spinach, cabbage, tomato, potato, green vegetable, wheat, egg, meat, and etc. In the second topic, in the second lesson, this topic is the nutritive and non-nutritive component of diet. The first part, nutritive component, is going on. So next day we'll complete this topic, nutritive components. So in the topic related some questions, so what is the carbohydrate, what is the fat, what is the mineral, what is the vitamins, and vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D. So write down in your copy. So thank you very much. Complete my topic. Best of luck.